Yo, what is up everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day and welcome to my channel. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe and notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's start today's video without any further ado. And in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your messenger call problem. So basically what this problem is like when you try to call your friend, you won't be able to call your friend. So the first thing is, if the person has blocked you, then you won't be able to call them, and there is no way to fix it unless they unblock you again. So keep that in mind. And the other problem is because of your connection error. If you have a slow internet connection or like an unstable connection, then you won't be able to call them due to the connection problem. And the other thing you can do is make sure your messenger is up to date, because if your messenger is not up to date, then a bug might be causing this problem, and updating your messenger can fix the bug that's in your messenger, because like in each update, messenger fixes the bug they have. So for this, go to your Play Store and check if your messenger is up to date or not. So right now mine is up to date because there's open shown over here. If there was an update button instead of open, that means like my messenger is not up to date and I need to update it. So make sure your messenger is up to date. And if you're still facing this problem even after your messenger is up to date, then what you can do is go out of messenger and hold on messenger icon until you see this item pop up, and now you can click on app info. And after you click on app info, click on permissions over here. Once you're on permission, make sure all the permission is turned on, because if you turn on some of the permission like phone, SMS or microphone, then you won't be able to call other person because your microphone is not being enabled by your device. Like messenger is not getting access to your microphone. So make sure all these things are turned on. And after all these things are turned on, the other thing you can do is you can just go on storage usage and click on clear data and click on clear. This is going to clear all the data of your messenger, and hopefully it might also fix the problem which is causing this. So if it still doesn't fixes it, then make sure your microphone of your phone is like not damaged, because if your microphone of your phone is damaged, then like you won't be able to use it as well. So make sure your microphone of your phone is working correctly, and if it is working correctly, then after doing all this step, it should fix your problem. So that's basically it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And I'll be signing out. Have a nice day everybody. Bye bye and peace out.